right? And so, I think that should be like that is much more important a question than when will the singularity happen.
Okay, final question for me, and then we're going to open it up. And I know there's some microphones in the room. There's a whole bunch of people in this room that are going to watch and go to the watch party on Thursday night of the debates. And we haven't really talked about politics in this election. Just play it out for us. The role of AI in the election of 2024, and then play out the role of AI in the election of 2028.
Yeah. So the view that we've taken for Microsoft Copilot so far has been that AIs should not participate in electioneering or campaigning, even if they successfully provide factual information. And, that's a view. People can disagree with that view, but we've taken a pretty hard line on that because we know that the technology isn't quite yet good enough to articulate that boundary between what is, a falsehood and what is true in real time, right? And this is just too sensitive for us to participate. So there's going to be some downside to that because the AI does also provide quite balanced and factual information most of the time, but sometimes it gets it catastrophically wrong. So I've always been advocating that AI should not be able to participate in elections, and democracy is sacrosanct. For all of its faults and strengths, it is something that humans participate in that AI shouldn't. In 2030 or 2035, we're going to have to face the reality that some people feel so attached to their personal AIs that they will advocate for personhood, just as there are some people who advocate for personhood for their animals, for example, in kind of more extreme animal rights cases.